You can perform a collocation analysis using Collocates data in order to display information on the relationships between word types that appear together within a given context window. The Collocates tool can be accessed at any time by clicking the Collocates tab at the top of the screen. To perform a collocation analysis, the first step is to enter the word that you want to find collocates of. We'll use the verb tynnu for our example here. Next, a context window needs to be selected. This is the number of words either side of the central word within which words are considered as collocates. The default is 3 words each side of the search word, but you can change this as you wish, up to 5. The metric by which the results are ranked can be chosen by clicking one of the rank by metric options here. Once you've decided on a central word, context window and ranking metric, click Start, and the list of results will be displayed at the bottom of the screen, as we can see here. You can also limit the results by restricting your search to different modes: written, spoken, e-language, genres, context, contributors' background, gender or location, and many other categories by selecting the relevant options in the Filter Metadata tab before you click Start. Above the results is displayed the word for which the results are collocates of. tynnu. The context window, in this case -3 to +3, and the collocate statistic by which the results are ranked, i.e. the rank by metrics that you selected at the initial search phase. Results in context are also shown, denoting how many times the search term and collocates co-occur within the context window, types and tokens. The number of times the results occur in the entire corpus, and the time taken to derive the results. The results themselves are sortable by their default rank order in the list, the ID, collocate here, frequency target, frequency of the target search word with the collocate within the context window. Let's tick on that, and this changes the collocates in this column. Frequency, relative frequency of the target search word with the collocate within the context window, the frequency percentage target, frequency of the collocate with the search word outside of the context window, frequency ref, the relative frequency of the collocate with the search word outside of the context window, frequency percentage ref, or the keyness score, which is here. The sign column indicates whether the keyness score is more frequent within the context window or outside of the context window. In the case of collocates, the sign should always be positive. You can select how many entries you are shown per page at this box here. 5 up to 100 entries per page. The results are also searchable using the search box here on the right hand side of the screen. You can browse through the list of entries by clicking on the numbers and or arrows at the bottom of the screen down here. If you click on an individual line under the View column with the eye icon, you'll be taken back to the Quick tool for the results of the word or the entry to be seen in the actual output, i.e. where it occurs in context. Once you've carried out a search, click the Reset button at the top of the screen if you want to remove all of the selected categories before you begin a new search.